Bud Light, one of the top and famous beer brand in United States. This company started their journey in April 2023. This company had an aim to capture a growing market for light beers. This company came under the most famous background. I think you know that it was Anheuser-Busch background, who was a parent company of Bud Light. Was already a dominant force in American beer industry with its flagship brand Budweiser. Bud Light was founded in 1852 by George and later it sells to Abbott. Before the time of 1970s, Americans consumed the strongest beer at that time, but after they began showing a preference for light beers. And the light beer having low calories, appealing to health conscious individuals and most refreshing beer at that time. Bud Light started their selling beer in 1982 only nationally, and after the few test result was that too was a light beer with fewer calories and milder flavor compared to other beers. Bud Light introduced a slogan to highlight their brand, "The best never comes easy." It highlights their quality and brewing process. And they started their ads in TV to reach the public as soon as possible. And later Bud Light also sponsored many events like Super Bowl, NASCAR races, and these things will help to gain their position in the market. And in late 1990s and 2000s, Bud Light made their new product and also made limited editions of the drink to highlight as a different brand and their value. They introduced a flavored beer and many more. After getting the hug success in US market, then they started selling their product internationally. But with the recent reports, Bud Light sales were declined because of the so many reasons. Sales declined. One of the reasons was that introducing of craft beers, and craft beers had rapidly made their position in market and also snatched their market value. Market share. The decline in sales has also resulted in a reduced market share because the competitor had a better aligned with current market trends. They did some different strategic to build their name in market again. Product diversification. Bud Light has expanded their product line. They started introducing new type of beers like seltzer, lime and orange, and finally seltzer made their position in market and contributed positively to the sales. Marketing and rebranding. They again started their branding with hog amount of money and also did some sponsorship in some sports also. Finally, they regained their popularity in the market, but a new twist will come in 2023 when they did a partnership with a transgender actress and social media influencer who was Dylan Mulvaney about the 365 days of girl childhood, with them marked her 1 year anniversary of transition, and she also made a part of her campaign. Bud Light also created custom cans of her for celebrating her milestone. This will affect very badly. This campaign reached to the public very quickly, and there was a also group known as right wing group who criticized Bud Light for aligning transgender issues. They created a political and social agenda and they did not agree with. Hashtag boycott Bud Light, hashtag go woke, go broker. Like hashtags were used against to boycott the Bud Light. And after this, some celebrity also started boycotting the beer, and a famous country music star kid shooted the Bud Light with a rifle and it went viral on social medias. For more videos, like, comment and share.